So this is 2022, paper 2 deferred and question 5B. So it says find all the values. So anytime you hear find all the values, and it's even in bold, they're hinting at the fact that it's not just, kind of first quadrant stuff. So even before I read on, in my head, I'm thinking there's going to be a few answers here. Now, it says find all the values of A for which tan A is equal to negative root 3, where A is between 0 and 720. So really, you're going around twice. Sorry. Just reconfigure the pen. So you're going round twice. Okay, so remember, every time we're doing a trig equation, the sign is one thing and the actual number is another. So the sign, so all stupid teachers cry. So it's not in the first quadrant because all is positive in the first. Only sign is positive in the second, so therefore the negative tan is in there. Tan is positive in the third, so that's excluded, and only cos is positive in the fourth, which means tan's negative, so it's the fourth. So I've already established I'm talking about the second and the fourth quadrant. And even before I go on, maybe I'll write down the key thing here. So if it's in the second quadrant, it's 180 minus the angle. Now, this was in a little diagram I gave you at the time. And the fourth quadrant is 360 minus the angle. So again, look back on that section, trigonometric equations. Okay, now what about the root 3 itself? Well, straight away, this makes me think of my log tables, my special angles table. You can do it on your calculator if you want, but on page 13, so on page 13 of the log tables, remember the special angles table? I can see very clearly that the tan of root 3 is actually 60 degrees. So that's my angle. Now I need to place that angle into the two quadrants that I know it's in. So I'm going to do 180 minus 60. So that is 120. Okay, so that's my first one. So I'll highlight these as I go actually, so we don't confuse it. So that's my first one. Then I do 360 minus 60. So that's 300. So that's definitely another solution. Now, if it was between 0 and 360, I'd be done now, but it's not. I have to go round again. Now, what does it mean if I have to go around twice? Well, really, it just means you're adding on another 360 to get the next location. Because it's allowing you to go around more than once. So that is 480. So 480 is another solution. And here I get 660, and that's my last solution. So there's in fact 4 solutions, all of these here highlighted in blue.